Hello kids! Now learn alphabets with me.
E for
Alligator,
B for
bear,
C for
cat,
D for
dog,
E for
elephant,
F for
fox,
G for
giraffe,
H for
horse,
I for
iguana,
J for
jellyfish,
K for
koala,
L for
lion,
M for
monkey,
N for
numbat,
O for
owl,
P for
parrot,
Q for
quail,
R for
rabbit,
S for
sheep,
T for
tiger,
U for
unicorn,
V for
vulture,
W for
wallaby,
X for
xenops,
Y for
yak,
Z for
zebra. Thanks for watching.